Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can zoom center in page using the Inkscape editor in 2026. So let us get started, guys. So let me navigate to that example new document, and let's assume you zoomed into, or you're zooming into an area of your canvas, and I would like to center on the page using the zoom. You can use the zoom feature in the bottom right corner, or use the shortcut left control, press and hold it, and use your mouse wheel. Now, what you want to do, guys, is head over to that right sidebar, and here you'll find the zoom center page feature. You may use also shortcut Ctrl+4. And after that, as you can see, the canvas will be centered automatically by Inkscape. And now you can zoom out again, and as you can see, we're right in the middle. Now, that's how it works. So let me use the shortcut Ctrl+4. And again, we're in the center of the page. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.